Is your Android phone running slow, lagging, or missing out on the latest features? Well, you might be overdue for a system update. In this video, I'll show you how to easily update your Android system in just a few minutes. Stay tuned, because keeping your phone updated isn't just about new features. It's about security, performance, and a smoother experience. If app developers add new features to their app to improve it, then the developers of your Android device also add new features to your phone to improve the performance of your phone. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for more helpful tips. Let's get started. Open your Settings app on your Android device. Then, scroll down and click on System. Tap on System Update. Then, click on this Online Update option. Click on Continue. Tap on this option to check if your Android device needs to be updated. This will take some time to finish processing. When it's done processing, an option will show up for you to click on. Then, resume the system update. And to do this, the battery percentage of your phone must be 50% or above. Or you can connect your charger if the battery percentage is below 50. This system update is not done only at once. So, make sure you check it every week or every month to improve the performance of your Android device. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, comment, and give this video a thumbs up. And also don't forget to join the Highly Practical's Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description of this video.